Now we have completed the login form. The login form, when we click on the menu, add a new student, we have to go to the new students tab. Edit or delete student, when we click this, we have to go to the edit or delete students tab. Like that, when we select on a particular menu, we have to go to the tabs. First, now we will call the function for add new student. To do that, just close the window and we will create a menu. We have to create a method. This method is for login form. I give a comment. Now add new student. We have to call a method def show add new tab. So this is the method. When we click on the menu, first menu, we have to call this method. Now I have just created the method and I'm going to call the method when we click on the menu. Self dot menu 11 dot triggered. We have to call the method dot connect. Call the method name self dot add new student tab. Now when we click the menu 11, that is add new students menu, it will call the method show add new students tab. In this method, we are going to show the tab, particular tab for the add new student. Here self dot tab widget dot set current index to. The 0 is the login form, 1 is the main form, 2 is the add new students tab. Now let us check the output. Go to the command prompt and run the project. Go to admin, login. We have go to the login form. When we click on the add new student, we have received the add new students tab. We have not set any coding for the other menus. Add new students. Now we have to write the coding for the save the student details. Now we have to fill the registration number automatically. When we click the add new student, the registration number should automatically fill in this form. So to do that, we have to create a method. Fill next registration number. This method will automatically fill the registration number, next registration number in the text box automatically. In this form, we are going to connect to the database. First, try, because the database error may come, so I am using try method to catch the error. I am going to create a new variable, registration number as 0. Now I'm going to connect with the database. MyDB is equal to con.connect. Con is the variable we have to create in the here we have to create the variable for the connection. From import mysql dot connector as con. So this method, this object is used here, con.connect. This will connect with the database. Double quotes. First we have to give the host name. Host is equal to localhost. Next we have to give the username. Default username for the MySQL database. Default username for the XAMPP MySQL database is root. And there is no password set in this database. We can set the password if we need. So password is equal to empty. And the database we are going to connect is db is equal to school. So these are the 4 parameters we need to connect the database. Host is equal to localhost, user is equal to root, password is equal to empty. If we have set any password, we have to give the password. And the database name is db is equal to school. And we have to create a cursor object to collect the data. Cursor is equal to mydb dot cursor. We are going to select the database. Cursor dot execute. Now we are going to select all the details, all the records from the student table. Student. Results equal to cursor dot fetch all. This will get all the records that is collected by the cursor to the result. If result, that means if the data is selected, then for student in results, for each student record will be given one by one in the student stud variable. We can add the variable rn plus is equal to 1. Whenever the student comes in, when student data comes in, it will automatically add the rn. Then self dot, we have to change the table name, table field name, tb11 dot set text rn plus 1. This is a number, we have to convert this to text string. Then we have to fill it in the tb11. In this form we can change the database. Here the registration number, I am going to give the name tb11, text box 11, tb11, and the full name tb12. This is combo box 1, cb11, and the text box 3, tb13. This is 12, 11 and 13. This is 14. tb14. This is multi-line text. MTB11, this is TB15, because there are 4, this is for 15, TB16, CB12, comma box 2, CB12, one first form and the second comma box, so that means CB12 and button 12, B12, and we need the label also, L12. Save the form. Now we can call the we can fill the register number to the TB11. Now we have filled the variable and close the try, except con.error. As E print we can see the variable error in the print message. That's all. We have completed the field registration number coding. We have to call this method in the menu calling event. Fill next registration number, self dot fill next registration number. So that's it. Now we can check the output. So we have to provide the colon, run the bomb, admin, login, students, add new students. So the registration number is filled automatically. When we have we have completed this form, the next registration number will be 2 automatically filled in the registration number field. In the next lecture we will see how to save the details in the database. Thank you for watching.